Well, right now we're getting sleet and freezing rain. Very icy weather. Hit the ice at the library here. I have to get out and salt this. Well, not the library. Usually the library does that. Sometimes I do, but the place I have to salt and scrape is up the street a little ways. A few of my neighbors and a lot of businesses up here. Getting very difficult to walk right now. I definitely need to get home. We got a good layer of ice on the ground. I was actually expecting a lot of snow. I'm filming this video December 15th, 2020. It's the day I filmed the video. Big point of the date. I'm trying to, whenever we get crazy weather events, I need to say the date of the weather event, definitely. So I remember the day I filmed it. It should say the day it happened. This weather is definitely not what was called for. They're calling for a slight thing, a little bit of ice and sleet and freezing rain, but there was supposed to be more snow. They're talking about wintry mix, temporary becoming all snow, and they're talking about up to a foot of snow. And it's looking like we don't get the snow. It looks like we'll get all ice. One of the places I have to scrape and salt. A lot of business through here. Can't remember if I have a... No. Yeah, you can tell where it's been salted. I had to come back to the bank and do more. Apparently what I've done is not helping. I put a lot down too. Well, actually it is helping here. It's just not in that one. No, actually it's not. I'm sliding. Well, it is a little bit. It's like patches. One pat's slippery, one pat's not. One pat's slippery, one pat's not. But I put a lot. I know there's been a lot of salt down. The city's over there putting a lot of salt down at the City Hall building. Another place I used to scrape here, but then the guy shut down. I gotta get home. It's just crazy. Yeah, ice on the cars. That's actually ice though. It was freezing rain and sleet. Not doing anything, no kill. One guy, William, walks the library. Main library, came over to the Mountain Hut Library, helped carry all his books out the door. He says not doing anything, no kills. You get past Dead Man's Cove over that way, it's not doing anything. But rain only. Yeah. But that's pretty serious. The roof is, bricks are popping out. A few bricks I think fell yet 2 days ago when it's snowing. We had like 4 inches of heavy wet snow like 2 hours. That'll get nice. And you know this weighs a lot, so ice is heavy. Yeah. It's starting to fill up in the power lines. Like, it's bad down through there. The mailman has to deliver the mail no matter what. I could almost, okay, I better be careful. I could practically slide down here if I wanted to. Icicles going up in the park bench. I would walk over there, but whoever's in that car watching me might think I'm trying to film them in a car and I'm not. Now I gotta head up the hill toward my house. Let's get some bars. I'm not gonna be able to get anywhere. It is definitely cold out here. I don't think it's warmed up any. It's cold. It's cold out here. For a second I thought the car was trying to come up this hill. I wouldn't really recommend moseying up Mosey Avenue or down Mosey Avenue on a day like today. That's the name of the street, Mosey Avenue. I'm sliding a little bit just walking. I can feel my feet shifting under me. Definitely gonna have to. I'll be glad to get back in my house, that's for sure. Hopefully the power don't go off today. I know the scheduled power outage has been cancelled. The unscheduled power outage, however, may actually happen. Appalachian Power Supply is trying to power from much of the city because they're putting in new poles and having to transfer all the wires and the transformers and stuff over to the new poles, having to hook up the old, unhook the old poles and hook everything up to the new ones. So, guess there won't be a scheduled power outage. Well, my neighbours still have power, I still have power. Lights on. Oh, good grief. Okay. I'll wait a few more minutes to come out. I can probably slide back down the hill.